what you can get him to do for you, okay?
Right here.
Okay, let's see what tricks you can make him do.
Tucker. Bam! Okay.
Good job. What else can you make him do?
Okay. Tucker, over here.
How about sit pretty?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Good job. Remember, tell him he's a good boy.
Good boy. Here, my shish. Good boy.
Okay, how about, can you make him sit pretty? What is that you're chewing up?
Oh, carrot.
Carrots. The stuff that Tucker will never, ever, ever eat for me, huh?
Tucker. Sit pretty. Sit pretty, boy.
Good job. Now, let's see. Will he shake hands with you?
Oh.
Still biting carrots? Okay, see if he'll shake hands with you. Well, don't choke on the carrot.
Tucker. Down.
Is he going to shake hands
Shake
laying
hand.
down? Okay.
Shake hand.
Okay. Do you know how to make him count?
Good.
Do you remember how to do that?
Okay. Tucker, say 1.
Just tell him count to 3
Count to 3.
and see if he'll count. Hold your arm out.
Count to this.
And then you have to count with him, right? Hold your arm out so you can count. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3. Good boy. Good boy.
Good.
Here, let me see if he'll count for me. Hold on just a sec. Tucker, come.
I'll give you.
Tucker, come.
Here.
Oh, he has a lot of carrots there. Come here, Tuck. Sit.
I got a carrot.
Okay, thank you, honey.
There's
Tucker,
carrot right there.
here. Come here. Sit. Okay, Tucker. Here, Jazzy, get back.
There's already carrot.
No, not until he's done doing it.
I
Okay.
just gave
Tucker,
him
here.
'cause he was
Come here.
already eating it.
Come. Sit. Tucker, what is 10 minus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Good job. Hey, give me that carrot. He ran off with my whole carrot. Tucker, you ran off with the whole carrot.